All right, guys, so we're back. The vehicle is armed. Factory door locks. A lot of guys don't understand that. You do have a factory alarm in there. That only triggers if the door is actually unlocked, right? From the inside, your door is locked. Somebody opens the door from the inside, usually after they break one of your windows. But at that point, they're already in your vehicle. So, if they climb through your window, guess what? They're already reprogramming your key. They're not going to open the door. Some guys just go through the window and stay in your car. Don't even bother getting out. So here you go. Add a shock sensor. It ties right into the factory alarm. Simple 3-wire and into your fuse box. It's a power. It's a door trip wire. Real easy to do, guys. I was going to go to an alarm place, but I'm so OCD that for the amount of money they would have charged, the hour it took me to do it, it's so much easier. So here you go. So as you can see, tied to the factory alarm, now you got a shock sensor.